What's up, you guys? Thanks for stopping by on another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be installing my secondaries. I ended up going with Art Grip, so I'm gonna be taking it right now to my friend's house where we have space and he's gonna help me. Well, probably do it actually, because I don't really know shit, but let's go. Gotta come get some breakfast. So I gotta take a fast shit. Let's go install these pipes. And someone gotta take a shit. And we're here. We're gabbing that. The Nova SS. Clean ass interior. This car's clean. What happened? What, my rim?
Oh, will you jack it up? Yeah, I already called him slow boy.
Nah, that's messed up, bro. He's in a foreign. You know it ain't boring.
So what'd he say? He's just gonna sell? Oh,
I don't know. We told him, like, you're gonna
You're the secondary getting rid of.
He's like, cool. Sorry, it's like, nah. I don't even know why he bought it. Bougie about the cats that everyone wants and they're so expensive.
The material. But they're not gonna want mine. Mine got like 10K miles on this shit. But damn, look at this. It's just hot too. Clap straight pipe. This shit sounds way louder. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.